And that, my friends, came out perfect. How to print white or any color on a t-shirt with a black and white laser printer. It's magic. Keep watching. What's up, guys? Gary Edgenay, t-shirthelpdesk.com. And today I have something really interesting for you guys. We're going to take this Bella Canvas blank and we're going to turn it into this, all right, using black ink. And I know you're thinking, how is that even humanly possible? Well, this right here, my friends, you can't see it that well, but this is Forever Flex Soft paper, okay? It's a two-step process, all right? And what I'm gonna show you how you can use a black and white laser printer or any color laser printer. I have a color one, but you can use a black and white laser printer, which costs a little or nothing, all right? And you can print t-shirts. So let's get into it. All right, guys, the paper is two parts. You have an A sheet and a B sheet. The A sheet, this is what you print in your printer, okay? You print, it's shiny on one side and matte on the other. You actually print on the matte side. And then you marry this B sheet, which is the adhesive, after it's printed right here. And then you print it on the t-shirt. Let me show you. Okay, guys, so this is my printer, Canon Image Clash, and I did a reverse print. You have to print in reverse. And guys, you can see that I printed it on the matte side. The shiny side is the back. And guys, if you want some really cool designs like this one, make sure that you go to the description box and you go to Design Crowd, okay? You can get custom designers from all over the globe are just waiting to do your stuff, all right, and at a really fair price. So go down and check out Design Crowd. Now we're going to take it and we're going to take, that's the A sheet, see the shiny back, and we're going to take the B sheet and we're going to marry these together. You see the back of that has the writing. That goes on top. The adhesive is on the other side. All right. You marry those together, but first we're going to heat up our platen, put that down, put a little paper on top of that, and for 90 seconds, we're going to let that cook. And bam, okay? And this is very important. You see that rag on the bottom? It's not just there for decoration, baby. You want to rub it, okay? You want to rub the transfer down first, okay? Caress it like a fine woman. And then you want to unpeel it, okay? You want to unpeel that bad boy. And here I go, peeling it nice and slow. And you're going to see that we've made a transfer, okay? The part, you can take a look right there. That's the actual transfer. And the other stuff came right out, okay? That's the adhesive, all right? So you just want to cut the edges of that paper because some adhesive will get on the edge. That's really the only work you have to do. And now we're going to take our shirt. I'm going to lay that bad boy flat. We're going to give it a press. Right, just to knock some wrinkles out, as my father would say. And then we're going to take that shiny side up. And watch this. We're going to put a little Teflon paper on top of that. Bam! That's for 30 seconds. We're going to lift that up. And just like that. But you have to peel it cold. You can't peel it right here. So I'm going to show you the peeling. And it's a special way you have to peel it. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, you want to peel it back close and lift, and don't lift it high. You just want to peel it close. Let me explain. So you don't go up, but you just go, you kind of pull back and you keep it close. So let's see what we get, okay? So, and you want to keep it smooth. So you just want to like roll it back. So I'm going to roll this back. You see how I'm keeping it flat and I'm just pulling and rolling, but I'm keeping it down flat. That's how you want to do it. Just pull it flat, okay? And that, my friends, came out perfect. Look at that. Stop wars. All right, our little bleeding heart liberal shirt. Okay, so that's that. And I'm gonna press this again because you see it's shiny. I'm gonna press it again because you should do a finishing press. So I'm gonna press this and we're gonna knock some of that shine off, all right? So let's get to it. Okay, we're gonna do our finishing press. Now, if you wanna keep some of that shine, you would use a Teflon sheet, but I wanna get rid of most of it. So I'm going to use a parchment paper, all right? Put the parchment paper on top and you just press it for 30 seconds and bam, it is done. And when you come out, you're gonna see a lot of that shine is gone and you got yourself a nice print, baby. All right, guys, and I'm styling printed at the crib, okay? Listen, they have all different colors, so make sure you check out Forever Flex Off. There's going to be some links down in the description box so you can possibly check this out. Hey, look, man, there's all type of different ways to print, man. More than one way to skin a cat. Remember where you heard it first? T-shirt help desk. Guys, God bless you. I'm finna put some butter on these shoes and slide on out the door. Cheers to your t-shirts. Remember, great minds talk about ideas, average minds talk about events, and small minds talk about people. Do something good for somebody. If you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. I am out. Peace. And guys, don't forget, start a t-shirt business or die trying to master course is still coming. Go down there and get on that list, okay? Just click on that link in the description box and make it happen, Captain. It's coming, baby. I am out. Peace.